So Rico, what are we doing here today?
Apart from losing sleep, we're picking up the KO AU300 ATV and we're going to be going out for a little private demo day. So if you guys want to check out the Moto Pro and KO bikes, let us know down below in the comments or wherever, and we can set up a demo day for you guys.
So just to show you our setup for the private demo, inside here we got the 450 and the 300 hiding away nicely. We got the RF 250 on the back there, and what Rickard is most excited for is the old KO quad. Hey Rickard, I almost forgot. I brought something for you to ride today.
Something special for me.
Hey?
Oh, beautiful.
This is an enduro machine.
Yes, I'll beat you guys up the mountain. I'll just throw it on my back and run up.
E-start, dude, no excuses. No clutch, so no pump on.
Just brakes and throttle.
That's it.
Nice. Zane on the 450. And the demo day mates. RF250, RR300. Alrighty, so that was just a little short and sweet video previewing what we do on a private demo day. So if you guys are keen to check out any of the Moto Pro or KO motorcycles, let us know in the comments or send us a DM on Instagram or Facebook. Alternatively, you can contact us via email. So get your mates together, book a day and have a good time on a couple of killer machines. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing. Peace out and keep ripping.